very recently in my life, I started to think that everything in my life is exactly where I want it to be. I'm in the position that I want to be, and I enjoy life. I stopped thinking about, oh, I want to achieve this so bad. I want to be a profitable day trader so bad. I want to be jacked. I want to be rich. I want to do all these things so bad. I wanted to push towards those things so bad. And I'm not saying it's bad to push towards those things. Obviously, I have that vision in my mind. But instead, I started to enjoy the current moment that I'm in. I started to change my life, my situation right now, so I could enjoy my life more. Because before, I wanted to quit my job so bad. I was working as a soccer referee, and I fucking hated these little kids, and I didn't like having to spend my Friday nights driving up 30 minutes to referee to referee kids playing soccer. It was just like, I dreaded it. And I wanted day trading. I wanted the rich feeling. I wanted the money to solve my problem of this stupid job that I worked. So I continued to do the job. I continued to work the job because I thought, oh, day trading, getting rich will solve my problems, right? Getting rich will change who I am. Getting rich will fucking get me bitches. Instead of going to the gym, instead of actually fucking talking to women. Instead of just quitting the job and finding something else I enjoy more. And that's what I've been thinking recently is, how do I enjoy my life more while continuing to go towards that vision of the man that I want to be? So instead, I found something that I enjoy more. Right now I'm dog sitting. I'm sitting here making this video while I'm fucking working. See the dog right there? Hold on, let me make sure it centers again. But I'm working right now. This is me working. Sitting here filming this video, I'm working right now. I found something that I enjoyed way more. So now, I can enjoy my life now instead of trying to strive so hard to change my life. I decided to make these small decisions, these small changes in my life now so that I can enjoy my life. And it feels like every day that I'm so lucky that stuff is always going right, that I continue to win, I continue to get better, I continue to see success. I have won 5 weeks in a row. 5 weeks in a row I have won every trade. Not every trade, but I'm profitable the past 5 weeks. I've made 8%. I would have fucking dreamed of that before. I would have fucking dreamed of winning over half my trades before. Of even making any money before. But now, since I've started to enjoy my life, since I've started to stop trying to push so hard to be a profitable day trader, try to push so hard to become rich, everything just starts to fall into place. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't still work your ass off, because I still work my ass off. I'm gonna film like 5 more videos after this. I'm at least spend 2 to 3 more hours recording videos. But I enjoy doing it. That's the difference. Before, I would almost dread it. I would not want to. I would want to do the work, but it was like a hassle for me, in a way. Because I just wanted to get here so bad. And it felt like everything was going against me. It felt like I kept failing. So I want you to change your mindset. Because I felt so much success just accepting the position that I'm in. Enjoying the position that I'm in. Enjoying my life with a vision of who I want to be. Not trying to strive so hard to be that person. But just enjoying where I'm at. And It has been one of the best decisions that I've made in my life. Obviously, there's been a ton, and I'm going to continue to grow, and I'm never going to stop growing. But just these past 5 weeks, I've seen so much success. I had a video that got 15,000 views because I'm making videos that I enjoy. I'm not making videos that I think people will enjoy. I'm not making stuff that I think people are going to watch. I made a video that I enjoyed making, and I got 15,000 views, and now I'm at 700 subscribers because I enjoyed it. So that's all I have to talk about this video. I hope you were able to get some value out of it, and I hope you can apply it to your life and see the immense change that it has. But thank you for watching. Like this video, leave a comment, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.